Everyone has heard of just-in-time manufacturing. With clear work instructions showing your best practices, you can now perform just-in-time training. Real-time training when you need it. Temporary, new, and experienced employees all benefit from precise work instructions. The techniques, tips, and tricks of each job shown and explained in an easy-to-use browser-based software. With work instructions, you can create a fast-moving, flexible workforce which can tackle any job. They can then rapidly eliminate bottlenecks, remove waste, and get to the all-important value add. VKS, more than just work instructions.